Hello, this week's video is like part 2. Last week's video I showed you all my locos, but this week I'm going to show you all my rolling stock, i.e. all my carriages and wagons. More after this. Right, last week I think I remembered showing you this metal painting. This is where we started off from. You can see all the carriages from this metal painting, and there are the carriages. Anyway, this is my little fireplace scene. It's by my fireplace, you see. I've got teak carriages here. Cornish Rivera Express, Cornish Rivera Limited. Got a couple of Pullman carriages there. More LNERT carriages here, a couple of LMS carriages there, and I've got some steampunk carriage there, and a steampunk wagon, there's an air ventilated wagon there, and another steampunk carriage there, small one there, and another steampunk wagon there. So that's my fireplace. Welcome to JJ's test track. My network rail Loco is pulling a track department cleaning carriage thing, not sure what. And I've got a Dapple track cleaner that actually got a little motor in it, and it's like a miniature vacuum cleaner. Then behind that I've got some more teak carriages. This carriage belongs to James the Red Engine from Thomas the Tank Engine. That is James's Red Engine's carriage. And behind that I've got Centenary Wagon from Hornby. That's my Heinz wagon, and then I've got a Walton wagon, and this flatbed wagon has this bit on top where it comes off like so. Great Western, got this little red crane here, and you can got a little handle on this side, and you can make it up and down. There's a little shed here, an Era 1 carriage, that's from the Rocket. These are my two Pullman carriages, which have got lights, number 72 and 73, and these are two other carriages, Magnite carriages. Now these ones use electricity from the rails, but these have got battery operated. What you do, you have this little magnet, and then you have to see there's a little switch which is operated by this magnet, you see. To quickly show you, there's another Pullman carriage beneath this one here. And then some more rolling stock here, more rolling stock there, more rolling stock there, got loads of rolling stock. This is the same one from up there where the comes off, and yes, I have got that same one as that Phobos bricks, and also got that Walton one, same as that Walton one. And that Inverness wagon is the same as that not Gelly one, but different livery. That's blue and that's brown, but both designs exactly the same. And we go down here, got some more custard and cream, I think it's, correct me if I'm wrong, something like that, can't remember. Oh no, blood and custard, that was it, these are called. The red looks like blood and yellow looks like custard. A few more Pullman carriages there, and then got my Cowan's Sheldon crane there, which is my very largest crane, and I think these are old track cleaning wagons. You can see the thing underneath there, just that, and you pull that, get a Loco to pull that around the track and it cleans it. And a couple of air ventilated wagons there, and a low Mac wagon there with a load. That's for my Airfix mixed diesel freight train set. A few more carriages here, there's a restaurant car there. A few more Pullman, as you can see these are now blue, well that's got blue curtains and that's got orange. Didn't have room to put that on the back there, as you can see it's quite a full shelf, so that's why I put it in that brake van in that wagon there. And this is the only wagon I've got with a house-like roof, sloping roof, what you find on a house normally. I've got two little, well, one wagon there and another brake van there. So it's similar to that one, I think. Again in a different livery. You will find that with rolling stock. The rolling stock's very the same but in different liveries. Like I said, that's a North Eastern, I'm not sure what that one is. It's both practically the same. And then up here, got Mammoth Steel Sawmill, and we've got an air ventilator wagon, which we've seen a little bit earlier. And then got these two wonderful carriages, cream and brown. Don't know what their nickname is. And then got these two little, well, wagon there and then a carriage there, 6-wheeled carriage. All this lot is on top of my wardrobe. Also Era 1 rolling stock. And again you can see that crane there which I've got a double of. Got another one which we saw earlier. Got some open wagons there. And the reason why I got that one says J, can you just see that? J James on it. James is my name, that's why I got that one. Rolling stock there. Got my Schweppes, BP, Coca-Cola, another Coca-Cola, BP, another Schweppes wagon there. Got a very small wagon there, behind that GWR tank wagon.
Midland Model Railway. The Triple MR for sure.
And lastly, I've ended up in my MMMR. Some rolling stock there, insulated milk vans there, another Pullman there, some more. Oh, this is my Coca-Cola. You can see there's a Coca-Cola on the flatbed wagon. And then in that shed there you can see two trailers pulling, well, carrying cars. Another Pullman up there, and then a few carriages on this little shelf here. And then this is my post office LMS, you can see, and then so move that out of the way, and then you can see the Night GR, as I was saying, my Night GR mail. And got two little prongs underneath, makes them doors. Open and close. Then got these on top. And I think that's the very last of my rolling stock, apart from those two carriages there. So thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe and comment down below, and I'll see you in my next video. Carriages don't like this. Anyway, thank you much for watching, and comment down below. Thank you. Bye.